Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use the trim command. So let's start with this tutorial. You can either take this trim command from this modify panel. There is a icon here, trim. You can click on this drop down, then you will get this option trim, or shortcut key for trim is TR. Now we'll see how to use this command. I'm having this object here. Now suppose I want to delete these lines outside this rectangle, then I can use this trim command. Now for using trim command, again there are two options. First, if you take trim command and give double enter, then whichever portion of the line you select, it will get erased. I've erased this portion. Now again if I select this portion, it will get erased. If I select this again, it will get erased. But if you select any single line that is not crossing any other lines, then it will not get erased by trim command. For that you will have to select the line and give erase command. Now second option is, suppose I want to delete these vertical lines above these horizontal lines, then if I take trim and give double enter, then I'll have to select this line, this portion. Again I'll have to select this portion to erase. But if you want to do it in one shot, then what you'll have to do is give trim command, say enter, give enter only once, then select this line as a reference line, again say enter. Now select this line and select this line. Now again I'll give trim command, give double enter. Now here you'll see these options, fence. If you click on this fence, suppose if you want to delete this line, this one and this, all the 4 lines, then you can take this fence option, click at this point, click here, make a line, this dotted line moving across these lines which you want to delete, and say enter. All these lines will be deleted in one shot. Now trim command can be also used to extend the lines. For that, give trim command TR, double enter. Now press and hold the shift key and select the line that you want to extend. Again if I click on this line, it will extend to the next line. Again here if I click on this line, this will extend till this line. So hope you all have understood how to use this trim command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.